Good morning, students. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the long questions and answers of chapter 1 of civics on equality. So the first question, these questions are asked in 5 marks. So the first question is, describe the two ways in which the government has tried to implement equality as guaranteed in the constitution. And answer is, the two ways in which the government has tried to implement the equality that is guaranteed in the constitution is first through laws and second through government programs or schemes to help disadvantaged communities. First point, there are several laws in India that protect every person's right to be treated equally. Second, in addition to laws, the government has also set up several schemes to improve the lives of communities and individuals who have been treated unequally for several centuries. These schemes are to ensure greater opportunity for people who have not had this in the past. Next question is, explain the sphere of equality as recognized by the Constitution of India. The solution is, the recognition of equality includes some of the following provisions in the Constitution. First point, first, that every person is equal before the law. What this means is that every person, from the president of the country to Kanta, a domestic worker, has to obey the same laws. Second point, second, no person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place of birth, or whether they are female or male. Third point, every person has access to all public places, including playgrounds, hotels, shops, and markets. All persons can use publicly available wells, roads, and bathing ghats. Fourth, untouchability has been abolished. Next question is, mention the positive effects of midday meal scheme in 4 points. The solution is, this program has had many positive effects. First point, these include the fact that more poor children have begun enrolling and regularly attending school. Second point, teachers reported that earlier children would often go home for lunch and then not return to school, but now with the midday meal being provided in school. Third, their attendance has improved. Their mothers, who earlier had to interrupt their work to feed their children at home during the day, now no longer need to do so. Fourth point, this program has also helped reduce caste prejudice because both lower and upper caste children in the school eat this meal together, and in quite a few places Dalit women have been employed to cook this meal. The midday meal program also helped reduce the hunger of poor students who often come to school and cannot concentrate because their stomachs are empty. Next question is, explain the various provisions mentioned in the Constitution for recognition of inequality. And the solution are, various provisions which are given in the Constitution is equality before law, no discrimination, access to all public places, and abolition of untouchability. Next question, critically examine the reasons for existence of inequality still in India. And the solution is, regions accountable for the same, means for the inequality in India, is so change in attitude, people still treat others unequally, and change in belief needed. And the conclusion is, stabilizing equality in a democratic society is a continuous struggle, and one in which individuals as well as various communities in India. Next question is, in addition to laws, the government has also set up several schemes to improve the lives of communities and individuals who have been treated unequally for several centuries. These schemes are to ensure greater opportunities for people who have not had this in the past. In the light of this statement, describe any one scheme in detail. And the solution is, one such scheme as initiated by the government is midday meal scheme. As you know, midday meal scheme refers to the program introduced by in all government elementary schools to provide children with cooked lunch. Tamil Nadu was the first state in India to introduce this scheme, and in 2001, the Supreme Court asked all state governments to begin this program in their schools within 6 months. And the positive effects of this midday meal schemes are, it attracted poor children, it's improved attendance of the children in school, it helped mothers, it reduced caste prejudice, and it's improved concentration on study. Thank you so much.